Hey, it's Mike and I'd like to talk about Software Acquisition Group Inc. This stock trades on the NASDAQ on symbol SAII. This stock was up over 1%, up to $11.24. After hours, it did move up higher, another 2.14%, up to $11.48. So Software Acquisition Group is a SPAC. And the reason why it is notable and you should be aware of Software Acquisition Group is that it has entered a merger agreement with Autonomo. This is a software vehicle data firm out of Israel. And the company, if you have been following like Kathy Woods from ARK Invest, she talks about how big data is really important and autonomous is very important. And Autonomo is a company that gives you both of these innovations. It gives you both autonomy and big data. So basically what the company does is if you have, let's say, a fleet of vehicles, they can take all that vehicle data and you could use it to make your vehicle, your fleet more efficient, improves safety, gives you better insight on asset management. It just helps you save on, your operational costs. So it says here, the automotive vehicle data platform uses patented technology to ingest, secure, cleanse, normalize, aggregate, and enrich car data for over 40 million vehicles. You could definitely see fleets being customers of automotive, as well as car companies. If car companies, are going to start moving into autonomous driving, they're going to want to have all this vehicle information, and that's definitely going to help automotive grow their business. So if you're into looking for those innovative, disruptive stocks, if you're investing in like the ARK Innovation ETF, if you're look at a company that could be a really big player over the next 10 years. Automotive will definitely be a player in that space. Now let's go ahead and look at the press release dealing with the merger. The transaction is expected to result in $300 million in cash comprised of software acquisitions to $172.5 million of cash in trust, assuming no redemptions by public stockholders. The transaction implies a value of approximately $1.4 billion, and Automotive is expected to have approximately $307 million of cash and cash equivalents on its balance sheet. So it's got a lot of cash, and the closing of the transition is expected in the second quarter of 2021. The combined company will be listed on the NASDAQ under the symbol OTMO. Okay, so you look at the companies could be valued at $1.4 billion. They got a little over $307 million in cash. Deal is going to close in the second quarter. I definitely think this is a company, as autonomous driving and car data becomes more critical, could easily become like a $5-6 billion company. Maybe even by the end of this year if we get a big rally and a continued rally in the tech sector. So definitely go ahead and check out Software Acquisition Group if you want to get into the Automoto merger before it closes. Again, it trades on the NASDAQ on symbol SAII. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.